must not rise the second time. Wetin I do before, when I not do am for Edo State. Edo no be Lagos. Edo no be Abuja. We remain Edo. Please, you cannot steal our vote. I'm not threatening anybody, but I want to assure you guys, if anything happens that is contrary to why we are here, you guys should forget coming abroad. The people sitting down here will make sure that none of your children come abroad to school. We'll make sure none of you will come to abroad any longer.
Make the school for here.
They should school here. We have decided to come and vote.
And they should take treatment here.
And one of you guys called us and was threatening us. What is this diaspora own? Why can't they stay on their own? We just want to let you all know that Edo State is our home. And we want to come back home. And that is why we are here. So my people, I beg you now, whether it's raining on that day, get umbrella, go out, get enough snacks, get enough drink. We'll make sure, say, these votes count in Edo. Thank you so much. And I pray that God Almighty will see all through, that at the end of that day, we'll be celebrating. And God will take the glory. Thank you so much.
My name is Gary Menosaka Onaiwi. I want to talk to our Edo people, especially our women. Mona try go Facebook, go watch how una First Lady, Mrs. Obaseki, they explained yesterday for City Niger. When I listen to that woman, I'm not sure see any woman for Edo State supposed vote for APC. Because waiting with the carry come for PDP na full package. We get governor when sabi speak English, when go school, when don't do a lot thing for private sector. He get friends, he get companies when go bring countries Benin to better Edo. We get a wife, if a when sabi, person when don't run business for 37 years, he no flop. And he get another first lady when they come out, when they give am blueprint, that one they there. Then una get all the PDP governors when they promise us say they'll dey here to support us. We get these people from diaspora. These people when they see so. When come diaspora, they follow and go different country. Follow and go Germany, follow and go Italy, follow and go America. All these people when they see so. If they never spend money, they just spend billions to just make sure say we give una good government. So what it remain? Now for una to come out now on Saturday, more come vote. If they destroy 3 polling units, how many polling units there at those states? Even if they destroy 10 and we win the remaining one, we'll not still win. We'll still win. So more come and more come forward. Fear not day. Fear not day. We don't get meeting as well of all this, so we don't go meet with Obaseki. Don't assure us say security day, nothing they happen, they not kill anybody. So more now come out on Saturday, 21st. I beg, one thing I want to talk with and one agent where they don't talk is come out early. Not come out 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock. They go don't do what they want to do. 7 o'clock. Come out, carry your wife, carry your pikin, and come quickly vote. If we quick vote finish, we'll quick count down. So that before day break, day start to the dark, result don't come out. And one into our neck, I don't want to soon announce result for midnight. Like one I do that day. They want to announce result for midnight. So now must count our result. And our result must count. So now the message be that. Thank you, my people.
Thank you so much. Before we...
All right, thank you. My message is simple and straight. We have a progressive Edo State in the last 7 to 8 years now. And I am sincerely appealing to the people of Edo State that what we need at this point is continuity. We cannot afford to go back. We need to continue on that progressive path. So please, come out and support Dr. Asue Ighodalo and Barrister Osarodion. We are here because we want to prove to the people of Edo State that we are not just social media noisemaker, not Facebook noisemaker. We have our PVC. We want to demonstrate that which we have been preaching on social medias. That is why we are here. So I sincerely appeal to all Edo's sons and daughters to please come out on 21st. Don't be intimidated. Vote. wait behind, ensure your vote card, and we will ensure that it follows to the coalition center. Thank you.
My message is as well very short. The people of Edo State should come out in mass, no fear of anything. The chief security officer of the state, which is the Governor Baseki, has assured us that we should not be scared of anything, anybody. We should come up and vote. Please, my papa, my mama, where they do, I beg, make una come out. Anywhere, even name no go there, Asue Ighodalo Ogie no dey there, now umbrella dey there. If una see umbrella, make una put on print there. Now waiting I beg una for. Thank you all.
Region, so that we will understand what they talk. When they intimidate us and then try to suppress our votes, we not go come out. Because we not come out, they go feed right result. Now waiting the plan be that, but you not go work. Because we be progressive state. That's why we the heartbeat of Nigeria. So on the 21st, make una carry una PVC come out. Go your polling unit, go vote. Now the people voice now this election be. When you vote finish, now carnival we do, we go wait. Then go count them. When they count them finish, then go sign them. We go there. When they sign them finish, then go upload them. We will follow them to the World Collation Center. From there to the local government, then to the state. When they announce the result finish, before we go house, because now the people now go decide election, not anybody else. Thank you very much.
Elderly mothers and fathers, is the only thing we want everyone to be aware of is that the security, both personal and for everyone, is guaranteed. Now, what is important is we must come out en masse together, because if you are together, united, and you all do your voting at about the same time, there will be no room for anyone to be intimidated. We have people, if not all of you, like my colleague said, that will make sure that your votes count. And how do we do that? We're going to make sure that your votes are protected. Now, to protect your votes means we will go all the way from the units to the ward level and to the local government coalition center until it's all uploaded. And the people, maybe not all of you, but a good majority of us will be there to make sure. We flew in miles here. I've been here a couple of times, just because it's only one of the candidates that have actually come to us, home and abroad, to tell us what his vision or what he wants to do. There in any responsible government, no government is so bad. If you want to say you are good, you would tell us, acknowledge what has been done by the previous government, and you tell us how you can make it better. The only person that has told us that is Asue Ighodalo. He has told us what he can do, how he can improve on what Obaseki has done. And that is what we want. We do not want a situation, which is why the vote is very important, we don't want a situation where people will impose on us what is not what we desire. So my Edo people, we beg you people, we are here to support you. We'll be here till the last day until our governor, intended governor to be, Asue Ighodalo, is sworn in. I beg you people, you must come out en masse to vote, and we assure you again, as the governor has said, your security is guaranteed. Don't be intimidated. Thank you.
Edo people, I want to beg you all not to be afraid of any intimidation. For we know on that day, we will have some people that will want to come to each of our units to destroy all our votes. I beg you now, in the name of God, don't allow someone to come around you, oppress you of anything. Don't be afraid of any human being. Don't be afraid of anything you see that day. All you need to do is to come to your voting point and cast your vote. If anybody give you money at that particular time, remember, you are not buying or selling anything. You are selling the future of your children. You are selling the future of this state, Edo State. Edo State is not for that person that is giving you 5,000, 10,000, or whichever amount of money. All you need to do is to cast your vote, stay behind, watch well. Don't let them take away your own future. We have been making mistakes for a very long time. We have been voting for those who cannot take care of us But this is the time for us to vote our own real man that we know he can carry us out of darkness. Asue Ighodalo, for we, people in Diaspora, before we decide to come to Nigeria to support him, we have studied this man and we find out that he's a man that will carry us forward. We know everything about him. And I am begging every mother, I am begging every father, remember, this is the only way you can save our children from the street. This is the only way you can save our children who are leaving this country to other country to do what we are not supposed to do because of what we are passing through here. We use this opportunity to beg you all to please carry your vote, give the person who is sabi. Asue Ighodalo and Osarodion Ogie are the one we are to vote for in Edo State. God bless you all.
Today is a wonderful day for a simple reason. First, they said the diasporas are not interested. We are interested. As the Americans will say, we have a dog in this fight. Those people who want to govern us, home and abroad, is only one person that left Benin, came to Europe, America, and said, please, I want your vote. The whole diaspora took a decision that Asue Ighodalo Ogie is the person they are going to vote for because they've used a format which everybody is aware of. What is the format? If you are contesting for a position, you go and meet the people with your manifesto. Asue Ighodalo and Ogie did. We saw them. And we're also here now, so it's not about that we are talking on Facebook or anywhere. We are here live. The battle on ground is simple. If you don't have this on Saturday, you have not shown your love for Asue Ighodalo and Ogie. They cannot do anything without people using this to say, we support Asue Ogie. What else? Their pictures will not be there, so it's not a problem. All you need is, I have my PVC, I want to vote for Ogie. And please, what is the name? You take it. Make sure this your thumb is what you use, because when the ink spill over the square, that thing is condemned. You don't need that. And you fold it backward so that it will not touch. Once that is done, the contract, the social contract is completed. You will hear again, they are going to write result. Yes, if we don't do anything, what do you want them to do? They will write result. So the way to avoid that, make sure that you are actually participating. When you use this, nobody can write result. The first officer of the state, God bless him, Obaseki, has promised guarantee of lives and property security. On our own part, we will vote and escort that ballot box and to where they are going to count it, deliver it, and we'll be fine. Take fear away. It's intimidation. You don't need intimidation. This is the only intimidation you have. When you put this for Ogie, we have won. Before 12, 1 o'clock, we'll be fine. But it will not happen if you keep this at home, or if you, it's not for sale, it's your right. If you lose it, you are there for another 4 years. Singing, talking on Facebook. Please, let's use this. Edo people, don't fail us. We came from the diaspora to let you know that you are important. And that importance, we are waiting to see the result on Saturday, the 21st September. Please don't forget this. I beg of you. Thank you, people. Bye.
Everyone on this table all have PVC. We decided to come down. A lot of them are still coming. And we decided that we need to come down and vote. After the visitation of Asue and Ogie to Europe and to America, and after convincing everyone in the diaspora, we made up our mind that we will be here to support everyone. And I would just want to quickly pass our message across to the nation, more especially to those who are going to conduct this election. This is my speech, which we all have put up together. Diaspora press briefing, addressing voters' intimidation concern in Edo State. Members of the press, citizens of Edo State, and stakeholders in Nigeria. We stand before you today to address growing concerns about the intimidation of voters and the role of the law enforcement agencies during this week, Saturday's governorship election in Edo State. These concerns, if left unaddressed, undermine the very foundation of our democracy and the trust the people place in our electoral system. First, let us be unequivocally in our position. Any form of voters' intimidation, harassment, or coercion by law enforcement agencies or any individual or group is entirely unacceptable. The role of the police and other security agencies is to protect citizens and members' peace, and not to create fear or manipulate the voting process in any guise. We call on the Nigerian police force and other relevant security agencies to discharge their duties with the highest level of professionalism, impartiality, and respect for the rule of law. The police must refrain from any action that could be perceived as intimidation or interference in the democratic right of the people. Every eligible voter has the right to freely cast their vote without fear of harassment or reprisal, and this right must be upheld without compromise. Furthermore, we urge the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, to continue in its commitment to ensuring a fair, transparent, and credible election process. We believe that a strong and independent INEC is essential to the success of our democracy. The people of Edo State, and indeed all Nigerians, they deserve an electoral process that is free from manipulation, that is free from corruption and undue influence. We also call on INEC to ensure that its officers at every level are properly trained and equipped to manage the election in a transparent manner. Any report of irregularities or malpractices must be swiftly investigated, and any individual found to be uncompromising the electoral process should be held accountable. To the people of Edo State, my people, your vote is your voice. We urge you to remain steadfast and not be swayed by intimidation or fear. Participate fully in the democratic process, knowing that the future of our state and our country rests in your hands, rests in our hands. We encourage you all to report any incident or voters' intimidation or malpractices to the appropriate authority. In conclusion, we reaffirm our commitment to ensuring that the September 21st election coming up in Edo State this weekend is free, fair, and peaceful. We call on all stakeholders, including law enforcement, INEC, political parties, and civil society, to play their part in upholding the sanctity of our democracy. Thank you so much, everyone. My name remains Raymond Osareme, the Deputy Director General Diaspora for Asue Ighodalo Campaign Council. Thank you very much.